This is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show how you can install the Opera browser on this device. So to start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, launch the Play Store, then find the Opera app info page, or app details page rather, or app store page, whatever. Then tap at the install button over there to initialize the download and installation process, and then wait for the app to be downloaded and installed respectively. Once the app is ready, you can just go ahead and launch it. While launching Opera for the first time, you will need to perform a simple setup, starting with this continue button. Then you can either enable notifications or skip the step. The same can be applied for setting Opera as your default browser app. And over here you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that the Opera is asking for. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.